Most people think they need a massive email list before they can make a decent living from it. Well, good news. If you have less than 3,000 email subscribers on your email list, this is the game plan to make 10 grand a month. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe and like, and do let me know if you like this type of content by commenting below, because then I'll know what kind of content to make more of. Like, if you like this, I'll make more stuff like this. So let's get straight on into it. Look, this is really about what I call the offer rhythm. The offer rhythm is a set of things that you do every single month. And these are like the core things. What you're going to do is before next month, you're going to sit down with these 4 boxes and you're going to write something in each of the boxes. And as long as you follow these offer rhythms every single month, you are going to hit your baseline numbers. And the good news is, when you do it this way, there's no need for you to be creative every single month or come up with brand new ideas every single month. Because some months you're a bit tired. Some months there's just a lot going on and you haven't got time or the patience or the ideas or the creativity to come up with something new. So I'm going to show you how you actually create this baseline, right? This is like the baseline of what you need to do, and I'm going to show you a really simple template that you can use to plan your month and make it almost impossible for you to miss your numbers, regardless of your list size. Of course, you might want to make more than 10 grand a month. You might be happy with half of that or a quarter of that. That's totally cool. Your numbers are your numbers. Before we get into that, I've just made a brand new mini course called Email Marketing Sorted, which is all about how I took one of my offers from making me 27 grand to over $500,000. Same offer, same audience, and how I did it within the first 30 days of someone joining my email list. It's absolutely amazing. The whole course is there for you. Just go to emailmarketingsorted.com, or if you're watching me here on YouTube, you can scan the QR code that's on screen or click the link that's in the description. That's emailmarketingsorted.com. Almost forgot where I was sending you there. So into today's content, how do we actually do this? So what we're going to do, every month you are going to do 4 things. Every time that I've forgotten to do all 4 of these things because I've been busy, distracted, i.e. I just didn't plan them the week before the month started. Every time I've missed out, then I have dropped the ball. I have underperformed. We've had, why are my sales low? Why is the bank less full than it has been in the past? It's because I've missed out one of these 4 things. Just sit down and make the decisions, right? When you make the decision ahead of time, it means future you is going to be really, really grateful for past you. So there's 4 boxes that you have to fill in before the end of the month for your next month to be successful. So do this now. And of course, you could even pick up this month right now if you've got time. So the first box is called a major promotion. This is something that you're going to do that gets people directly into your main roam flagship higher ticket offer. If you've got something which is $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 or $10,000, something like that, or you've got a membership, which is your main thing you're bringing people into, like your main roam flagship offer, that's what we need to do. Every month, we need to have something we do to get people into those things, right? This is designed to be the thing that brings in chunks of cash, either through volume, you can get lots of people into it, or because it's got a higher price. So you're going to make a decision. What is going to be your major promotion? So for me, every month, I'm doing at least a promotion for our main Roam flagship offer, which is the automated email engine program. We'll do something every single month, some kind of way of getting new people on our list to go, wow, I need to enroll in this. So that's the first thing, a major promotion. Second of these 2 boxes you need to fill is 1 to 2 micro promotions. The idea of these is they're not as big and as involved as the major macro promotion that we've done in the previous section. The point of this one is that you want to do something which is going to bring in smaller amounts of money, but they pile up really nicely, and they allow people who are on your your list, but they've not yet bought anything, and they allow them to pay something, right? This could be a live mini class. It could be a special offer on some existing recordings that you already have. It could be a promotion for somebody else's offer that you get paid a commission for recommending when people buy. So you're going to do 1 to 2 micro promotions, and the idea is they don't make the huge amounts of money, the large amounts of money that your major promotion did, but all of these small amounts really mount up. They also create variety in the minds of your subscribers, so you're not always just talking about that macro major promotion, that main offer that you've got. We call it the Rome offer because all roads lead to Rome. Everything ultimately ends there. And again, with these micro promotions, when people buy them, they're moving closer to buying your Rome offer. So that might be that you have an upsell on the back of it, something that they can buy and upgrade to your main offer, or it might be just that they're now a buyer, so they're much more likely to buy your future things, to buy your flagship Rome offer. So that's 2 things you've got. The third thing that we're going to do is we're going to have to put in something in another box, which is about audience build activity, right? We're going to do something every single month that is going to grow your audience. And that might be you're going to run a new ad campaign, but more likely it's going to be something that brings in new people to your list, such as you're going to guest on a podcast, you're going to give a training for somebody else's audience and community, you're going to speak at an event, you might attend an event online, offline maybe as well. So that's the third of these 4 boxes, is what's something you're going to do that will build your audience, that will get you in front of brand new people who've never heard of you before. How are you going to do that? We need to do one of those things every single month, or else our list is dying. And of course, the more people have on your list, the more people we've got to put these great offers in front of. And the 4th one, please don't forget this one, is what I call a buyers only offer. This is something that only goes out to the people who've already bought something from you. And the idea is you're offering something that will get them to increase how much they spend with you. Somebody who's already bought something from you is 50% more likely to buy something else from you. And if they've bought from you, they now show that they've got a credit card and they know how to use it, okay? So we're going to have them use their credit card again. So they've already bought something. One of the major ways that you could increase how much money you make in your business is to get people who spend money to spend more money. So that might be, you might offer a coaching program that accelerates their results and gets them better results from the program they've already bought. And if they've already got a self-study version, is there a coaching version? Is there an accelerator version? Is there a mastermind? Is there something that's going to take them to the next level? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to have another offer, which is a buyers only offer. And if you combine these 4 quadrants, what's really interesting is you end up with a lot of variety of stuff going on to your email list. So it's not just beating them over the head with the same thing over and over again. And also, not everybody in your list is always getting a promotion. So for example, when you're running the buyers only offer, your non-buyers part of your list are not going to be getting anything that's going to be selling to them. And around all of these 4 things, we're also going to be sending things like, if you make a piece of content, for example, I make this podcast and YouTube channel, I'll also be sending emails out about that. Again, making sure that I'm rebuilding the bank of goodwill with my audience, so I'm not just withdrawing from the ATM and my cash machine of my list, right? Just pulling all the value out of it and not refilling it. So you have to keep refilling that. So you're going to fill this in every single month, those 4 quadrants. Just to remind you really quickly, a major promotion, 1 to 2 micro promotions, usually 1, honestly, an audience building activity, and a buyer only offer. Do those things and you have a repeatable system, and you'll now be able to know exactly what you are doing every single month without going, why are the numbers coming down? But here's a bonus one. As you are building your audience, every one of the new subscribers you're bringing in is joining your list to get help with what it is that you do. And you know that. That's the reason they join your email list, not because they want more emails, right? What you need to have that point is an automated email engine that turns them into buyers quickly. And that's how, while you've got most of their attention when they've just joined your email list, is when you can make the most money from every subscriber. So even if you've got a tiny email list and you're not bringing in that many leads, that means every one of those new subscribers really counts, right? And I'm going to outline for you all of the steps that I use to do that in my new mini course that's called Email Marketing Sorted. And as a viewer and listener to this podcast, you can go and get access to that whole mini course for free by going to emailmarketingsorted.com. So that's it for today. In this other video here, I'm going to show you some ways of building your email list that will really surprise you. A whole bunch of different ways of grabbing new subscribers and bring them onto your email list. Definitely go check that one out, and I'll see you next week.